How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly add and configure products over at your Ecwid store from scratch. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and assuming that you guys are already logged into your Ecwid account, this is what the dashboard looks like. So since we're looking to register new products or pre-made products, or I should say templates that would normally be set if you want to add stuff to your online store, you would first want to navigate to catalog. So catalog is the option between sales and marketing, this one right here. And you'll see right away that when you hover over catalog, you'll see that there's an option that says products. So you simply want to click on this, like so. And right away, you'll see that there are a couple of presets here that you could use to add products to your store. So because I set my Ecwid store as a text store, these are the results that popped up. And to add them, to add the presets, you can highlight each one that you want to add to your store, or you could do it individually, like clicking on this arrow right here, and then manually adding it to your store, as well as the pictures and so on, the description and whatnot, as well as the price. So you can manually configure it from scratch, or you could do it all in bulk by highlighting everything and mass updating them. Or better yet, another thing you can do is actually click on add a new product, and you would start from scratch when you go to add a new product. So this can be anything tech related, and here you can do a couple of different configurations, I should say, for the elements on the store page or the product page. So let's say that I want to put down the specs for a VR headset, then you can do so here in the description. So it's the name, how many you have in stock, the weight, upload images for it, so on and so forth, and give it a price, and simply add new product. And that's honestly it. So yeah, hopefully this video helped you guys out, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.